Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Class 8th, subject English, topic exercise, the Bangle-Sellers. The Bangle-Sellers is a poem. इसकी आज हमने एक्सरसाइज करनी है. इस एक्सरसाइज में 6 क्वेश्चन है. इसके आंसर्स मैंने लिखे हैं बोर्ड पर. These questions we have to discuss with you today in this offline class. Question number first: who is the speaker in the poem? Answer is question ka a Bangle-Seller is the speaker of the poem. I have already discussed with you in the first class that a Bangle-Seller is a person who sells the bangles. Now, the Bangle-Seller himself is the speaker of the poem. Now you can understand easily, a Bangle-Seller is the speaker of the poem. Now question number second: how are the bangles described in the first stanza of the poem and who are these bangles for? In the first stanza, पहले stanza में इन bangles को किस तरह describe किया गया है and who are these bangles for? और जो ये bangles है ये किन के लिए है? इसका आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड का. In the first stanza of the poem, various types of bangles are described which are lustrous tokens of radiant lives for happy daughters and happy wives. In the first stanza, the poet discusses that bangles are like lustrous tokens of radiant lives. And we have already discussed with you, lustrous means shining. These bangles are very shining. These bangles are very bright, and these are made for happy daughters and happy wives. जो ये bangles हैं, these are made for the happy daughters and happy wives. Now this is the answer of the question number second. Now question number third: name the different similes for the bangles. What are these? In this point, the poet uses different similes. And what are these? We have to know about which similes the poet uses in this poem. First of all, you know that what is simile? A simile is an indirect comparison. Simile के माने हैं तशबीह देना. हम किसी चीज को दूसरी चीज के साथ तशबीह देते हैं. For example, we say Rashid is a tiger. Actually, Rashid is not a tiger, but when we see his courage, his dearness, and his brave, he can do everything, and we compare Rashid to the tiger, so we can say Rashid is a tiger. So here the poet has used different similes in which he compared the bangles to birds that dream on calm woodland stream and sunlit garden. Now in this poem, the poet uses different similes regarding the bangles. He compared the bangles to other things, like he showed here that birds. He compared the bangles to birds. He compared the bangles to birds, and another is that dream on calm woodland stream and sunlit garden. Now we can say the poet uses here bangles. He compares the bangles to these things, that is birds that dream on calm woodland stream and sunlit garden. Now this is the answer of question number third. Now question number 4. Name the different colors of bangles mentioned in the poem. What do these colors represent? Which colors are mentioned in the poem regarding the bangles, and what do these colors represent, and what these colors represent? इसका आंसर है the poet uses different colors in the poem. The poet describes different colors in the poem: silver, blue, solid corn color, purple, and gold flecked gray are different colors which are used for the bangles. These colors represent the bangles suitable for different age group of women. Poet uses silver color here, blue color, sunlight corn color, purple, and gold flecked gray. Gold flecked gray means supported with golden dots. Those bangles which have golden dots are called gold flecked. Those bangles are called gold flecked gray. So these bangles are used for those women which shows according to their age, or different colors which are used for the bangles. These colors are used for the different colors of these colors represent the different colors of the bangles, and these colors represent the bangles suitable for different age group of women. Clear? Now, question number 5. The word some has been repeated in the poem for a purpose. What is it? इस पोएम में जो वर्ड सम है वो बार बार इस्तेमाल किया गया है इस पोएम में, एंड व्हाई इट इज यूज्ड, इसको क्यों, एंड व्हाट इट इज रिप्रेजेंट, ये सम जो ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है इस पोएम में. इसका आंसर है द वर्ड सम हैज बीन रिपीटेड इन द पोएम इन ऑर्डर टू शो द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बैंगल्स. सम जो वर्ड सम है इसको इस लिहाज से इस्तेमाल किया गया है ताकि ये मुख्तलिफ किस्म के जो चूड़ियां हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट करता है. That here, so that we can write here the word some has been repeated in the poem in order to show the different types of bangles. Clear? Now question number 6 is explain the following lines. We have to explain these lines. Lines are some are meet for a maiden's wrist, silver and blue as the mountain mist. Now answer of this question is, in these lines the narrator, who is a bangle seller, says that some bangles are made for the wrists of unmarried women, some are silver and blue colors or the mountains covered under mist. In this, the poet discusses that we have used here narrator. Narrator is also poet, and we can say he is also a bangle seller in this poem. That some bangles are made for the wrists of unmarried women. Some bangles are made for those girls, for those women who are unmarried, and the color of these bangles are some are silver and blue colors, and the mountains covered under mist. I hope you can understand these questions very easily. Thanks.